Hello everyone, this is Teacher Kristinna and welcome to my YouTube channel. So kung bago ka pa lang sa aking channel, huwag kakalimutang i-click ang subscribe button at ang notification bell para lagi kang updated sa mga bagong videos. So, sa video na ito ay ituturo ko sa inyo kung ano ang mga MOVs o supporting documents na dapat ilagay sa ating ipcrf, RPMS portfolio. So, ang ituturo ko sa inyo is on Objective 12. So, mag-start muna tayo sa Objective 12. Sabihin nyo, bakit naman si teacher hindi nagsimula sa Objective 1? So, simulan natin sa mas madaling objective, mas madaling MOVs na hanapin sa ating mga classroom. And syempre, kung nagustuhan nyo ang video na ito or may natutunan kayo dito sa video na ito, mag-comment lang kayo kung gusto nyo. Ituro ko din sa inyo ang mga MOVs na dapat ilagay sa Objective 1 and sa other objectives pa sa ating ipcrf o sa ating RPMS. So, sa Objective 12, ay to communicated properly and clearly the learner's needs, progress, and achievement to key stakeholders including guardians or parents. So, ito is more on communication sa ating stakeholders, more importantly sa mga parents ng ating pupils or ng ating students. Ayan, so nakalagay dito sa quality is consistently showed prompt and clear communication of learners' needs, progress, achievement to key stakeholders, including parents or guardians as shown in the MOV submitted. For efficiency, nakalagay dyan is submitted for different kinds of acceptable MOVs. So, yan nga, ano ba yung mga 4 acceptable kinds of MOVs? And ano pa yung other MOVs aside dun sa 4 na acceptable kinds of MOVs? For timeliness, nakalagay dito is submitted MOV were distributed across 4 quarters. So, yung MOVs na ilalagay natin is within 4 quarters. So, may first quarter, second, third, and fourth. Lahat po yan is lalagyan natin ng MOVs for communication sa ating stakeholders. Yan. So, first, kung nakikita nyo dito sa aking laptop screen, medyo maliit lang siya, pero babasahin ko na lang is 3 corrected test papers of 3 pupils in the same learning area with parent signature. So, first MOV na dapat nating ilagay sa Objective 12 is 3 corrected na test paper ng 3 bata, pero pare-pareho yung learning area, pare-pareho yung subject, at huwag kakalimutan ang parent signature. So, paano ba siya? 3 bata, so yan, 3 bata, si letter A, si letter B, and si letter C. So, si letter A, kailangan meron kang 3 test paper mula kay letter A. Kung math yan, pare-parehong math. So, for letter B, 3 test paper din. So, kung math nga ulit yung learning area na gagamitin natin or subject, 3 math kay letter B, at 3 math test papers ulit galing kay letter C. So, again, 3 test papers mula sa 3 bata with the same learning area with parent signature. Number 2 MOV is the minutes of the meeting or PTA conference per quarter. So, nagmi-meeting tayo or nagpi-PTA conference tayo 4 times a year. So, 4 quarter. So, first PTA conference, second, third, and fourth. So, lahat ng yan, dapat meron kang minutes of the meeting. Sometimes, humihingi pa ng narrative report. And, syempre, kailangan is attach dito ang attendance ng mga parent na umattend sa ating PTA conference. The third MOV is report card supported by narrative report and attendance. So, yun, report card supported by narrative report and attendance. So, kapag nag-card giving tayo or nag-card showing tayo, dapat meron din tayong narrative report na ginawa natin yun as well as the attendance ng mga parent na dumating para tingnan at pirmahan ang mga cards ng kanilang mga anak. Next one is the anecdotal record. So, dapat meron din tayong anecdotal record sa ating mga estudyante. And for other MOBs pa na pwedeng nating ilagay na related sa communication with stakeholders and parents or guardians of the pupils is communication with parents in any modality. So, meron kang evidence na ipapakita na hindi ka lang nakipag-communicate sa parents through PTA conference or through card giving. So, pwede siya in any modalities. It can be a screenshot of your conversation in Messenger, in Facebook, or yun, pwedeng face-to-face and your conversation is pictures na nag-usap kayo. So, kung na-provide mo na yung mga yung 4 MOVs na sinabi ko as well as yung other MOV na pwede mo pang ilagay, so siguro naman mabibigyan ka na ng rating na 5 dahil nakompleto mo na yung MOVs na dapat mong ilagay for quality, for efficiency, and also for timeliness. So, yun po, kung may natutunan kayo dito sa video na ito about RPMS, ipcrf, portfolio, and MOVs sa dapat sa iba't iba pang objective. So, ito nga, objective 12 pa lang to, but if you want more, just comment down below if you want MOVs for objective 1, 2, 3, and so on. So, yun po. Thank you for watching.